Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to create Notion template. So let's start first by opening your Notion or login with your existing Notion account. After signing in to your Notion, you'll now lead to its home, in which variety of widgets appear. And to create a Notion template, all we need to do is to click the Add page below the reading list. And from here, you can pick any template, whether empty page, templates, import, and database. And to create template, all we need to do is to click the templates below the empty page. And by clicking the template, it will lead you to a variety of suggested template, designed, and many more. So from this template, if you already choose your preference template, such as this to-do list, in which there are task name, assign, and due date. All you need to do is to click on it and proceed to Get Template on a blue button. And after that, the template that you choose will automatically show in your list. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to create Notion template, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.